Ugh, here we are again. Me still with that same weirdo tablet. So, everybody's hungry. What are we doing for dinner? Well, tonight we're addressing the London broil issue. Mm-hmm. It's steak night. And these days we're all doing cheap stuff. So, got a steak. Yippee. That one's not actually a London broil. But London broil is what started this. Because I love a good cheap steak. And London broil's cheap, but it's entirely inedible. You know, it's just so tough you can't eat the darn thing. So what do? Well, you can slow cook it, but I like steak flavored steak. So what we got is this. Mrs. Chef picked this up, or ordered it for me on the internet. Oh, gee. And the thing is that it works. All of these little needles, let's see here, go into the meat, and it works. It doesn't turn London broil into a filet mignon, but you do it right, it makes it edible. So what do? Well, you just take this and you do a pattern. Up, 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 up. Flip it over and do the same on the back side. Nothing fancy, just a simple cover every inch of the meat. If you do it too much, the meat will get kind of thin and weird. So don't overdo it, but that's it. Then, of course, you salt, you pepper, you leave it for a while, and then you cook it like any other steak. And that's how you make London broil edible. With a blade tenderizer, courtesy of Amazon. Mine is round, yours can be square, whatever you want. Thank you.